Hi, this is Jason Mudd from Axia Public Relations, and welcome to your PR Hack of the Week. Today I'm here to share with you about data analytics. Let's use them in the PR profession to serve as proof of the value that public relations brings to your company. Every PR pro should be excited and enthusiastic about PR measurement and reporting. It allows you to show the efforts and activities and accomplishments you've achieved, as well as demonstrating the pride you have in the work that you're doing, because you're delivering value to the organization that is uber important to the company's success. If you're not proud of your work, then maybe you are in the wrong profession, or maybe you're working with the wrong team or for the wrong cause. But at any rate, it's important that you report back and you use data to show. A lot of times I think of the client or your leadership team and maybe even the CFO doing a Jerry Maguire moment of, show me the money, right? They want to know where their money is going and where it's coming from, and why corporate communications, thought leadership, and content marketing is an important part of that. Whether you're focused on news strategies or web and social media strategies, you've got to show ROI, or at least return on investment, and the best way to start doing that is with data. So provide data analytics in your communications campaigns to meet the needs and demands of clients and employers, while understanding the difference between qualitative and quantitative strategies for measurement. If you have questions about this topic, reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you. We do this type of work every day. And by the way, if you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have a question or a topic you'd like us to explore, please leave it below in the comments. We'll be happy to respond. We love that. Thank you for your request. Thanks for watching. I'm Jason Mudd signing off with Axia Public Relations. Be well.